All right, let's go. The Make Crypto Great Again era has begun. Some are excited, some are confused, and some are just looking for a new way to make a buck. So we have a lot to get to.
People forget, frankly, before the SEC got involved in the crypto markets, XRP was the second most valuable digital asset, ahead of ETH.
Of course, the presidential inauguration drew a lot of attention. Attendees included past presidents, celebrities, and business executives. A surprising no-show for Michelle Obama, who chose to stay home in bed. And while most people cheered the transition of power, you could definitely see reality start to set in on the faces of a few. Personally, I'm looking forward to see what changes are in store for us. I'm the type of person that can be excited for Trump and also support my body, my choice. But when the only thing willing to come inside you is diabetes, maybe you need to reassess your priorities. Nevertheless, it's time to fully unleash crypto in the US. How high will it go?
Somewhere between 700 billion and $1.3 billion.
I'm not sure about all that, but one thing that is for sure, we're done taking it in the ass. Let's start right here, cause no topic has been hotter over the past couple of days than Trump coin. And everyone is asking me, did I invest in Trump coin? No. Am I going to invest in Trump coin? No. Am I upset that I missed out? What do you think? And when you do miss out on something like this, it literally feels like
more trains got ran through my ass than Grand Central Station.
So Friday was really crazy. Many of the most powerful people in crypto were all at a party thrown by Trump that he was not at. And then at 9:44 p.m. Eastern Time, President-elect Trump launched the biggest meme coin in history, Trump coin. It then surged 9,500% with $2.2 billion in volume traded in under 12 hours. The token launched at around 14 cents and ran up to a high of around $73. And when you look at the chart, this thing is just crazy. And while the token doesn't actually do anything, I'm not sure this was a Trump to us situation. Meaning, I don't think that Trump is going to rug pull the whole country. It's very clear and obvious this token is simply a way for Trump to do some additional fundraising. So again, not something that I'm personally investing in. I messed around over the weekend and shorted it a little bit on Blowfin, but at least the tokenomics and motives are transparent, which is more than we can say for criminals who pardon mass murderers with just seconds left to go on their game clock. And take a look at this. According to Polymarket, there is now a 64% chance that a Ripple ETF will be approved by July 31st, 2025. And if we look at this post from Nate Garassi, ETF filings in the last 48 hours, Van Eck On-Chain Economy ETF, Canary Litecoin ETF, Oasis Capital Digital Asset Debt Strategy ETF, CoinShares Digital Asset ETF, ProShares Leveraged and Inverse XRP ETFs, ProShares XRP Futures ETF, ProShares Solana Futures ETF. Regulatory winds are shifting. And Ripple CEO spotted at Trump inauguration candlelight dinner. You see here Vice President Vance coming over and shaking hands with Brad. And this is really interesting from Austin King, saying that Ripple is positioning the XRP Ledger to challenge BlackRock by focusing on tokenization, with RLUSD being their first tokenized asset for expanding the on-chain economy. The post goes on to say that the synergy with Omni aims to revolutionize the on-chain economy by distributing tokenized assets. And Ripple says it's actively hunting for acquisitions as XRP price soars. The article is linked below, but it says that Ripple plans to ramp up acquisitions of crypto firms as XRP's price continues to increase in value. The company is currently holding over $143 billion in XRP, with the aim to buy startups, especially in the stablecoin market. All right, let's move over here and take a look at the XRP price action. As I record this video, XRP is right at $3.15. Taking a look at this on a 2-week scale, after months of patiently waiting, we finally hit the $3.37 target that corresponds with the measured target move on the symmetrical triangle breakout, looking at this on a non-logarithmic scale. The exact precision was absolutely insane. I saw it get to 339 on Kraken. We do need to be aware of this potential bearish divergence on the 2-week scale, but a close above the 88 level on the RSI would negate this. You can see this level here at $1.96 has served as past resistance for XRP, but this level has now been flipped into new support. If we can stay above this level, you would expect XRP to break higher in the coming months. We also need to pay attention to the stochastic RSI. If both lines can stay above this 80 level, which is the green line right here, you would expect the bullish momentum to continue. For me personally, these levels we are at right now are not buying opportunities, as we are still in very overbought conditions according to the indicators. You can also see that this orange box, which we can call the DCA or dollar cost averaging box, has been updated as the price has increased. The orange box, of course, is made up of the 0.618 and the 0.786 Fib retracement levels. This is currently between $1.11 and $1.60. If XRP heads down to this level, and if the fear and greed index pivots to fear or neutral, this would be a great spot to add towards your position. If XRP does head higher, we can look at these listed Fib extension levels as possible take profit areas, with the first being here at $4. And I'll keep you updated with all the XRP price movement. But for now, it's time to get excited because we may have gotten the greatest upgrade in history. And if anyone still questions what happened during the election, just show them this. Rest in peace, Bob Uecker. Major League is one of the best sports movies of all time.
Just a bit outside. He tried the corner and missed.
And here's a little treat for all of you who wondered what it's like to spend a day as a US Senator.
Hello, I'm United States Senator Mazie Hirono. Follow me and let's find out. Typically, I like to start my day with some breakfast. Then it's off to catch up on the latest gossip with friends. Once that is finished, it's time for a power snack before heading off to work. Here I am meeting up with some of my colleagues before a big vote. Once the vote is finished, it's back to feeding. Time to load up and head home for the night. It's off to bed to do it all again tomorrow. Well, there you go. A day in the life of a senator. I'm sorry it wasn't the most eventful day. You didn't get to see me doing any insider trading or receiving kickbacks from the Ukraine disaster. But you did get to see me eat multiple times. That should be worth the cost of admission. Tune in next time. Maybe you will see me suck off a lobbyist or even getting railed doggy style by Big Mike Obama.
And if you have a couple more minutes, you may also like this video right here, where we look at leaked information that may cause the price of XRP to go soaring. Till the next time, be safe.